Stockton, California. We're headed to Tacoma, Washington. So good weekend load. Never been here, so I don't know what we're getting. Some type of wire. We need to get over. It's crazy here. Oh, school's in too. I didn't see nothing. I didn't see a school zone light or anything. Okay, we're coming to right here. Should be right here to the right after the tracks. Oh, we're getting some type of slinkies look like these guys have. Yup. Hey boss, where do we go? Where do we go? The same shit? Where do we check in, do you know? Go inside though?
No.
Oh, park on the street?
Just park on the street and then go talk to the guy or by the
okay.
truck.
Alright.
How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Check it in?
Yeah.
Pick it up?
Yes, sir.
Where are we headed to?
Tacoma?
Tacoma?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Tacoma 7 coils, they are standing up, so you do have to set up coil racks, recommend 4 sets, and then that's how we talked about.
Okay, so the coil, you need all the coil racks or just front and back?
4 sets.
4 sets of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Give me. What's the total weight?
44.5.
44.5. Okay. I guess you could put the single one then back here because so we get more weight in the front if it's not that heavy. So single, double. Okay. And this is okay, the space between? It should be alright, right?
Should be alright.
Yeah, okay. Alright, let's do that then. Are they all the same weight? Are they all the same weight?
You got one that's like 200 pounds less.
Okay.
But for the most part, everything else is pretty much the same weight.
Okay, I was going to say just put the heaviest one but there, but yeah, okay. All right. All right, guys, we're going to chain this. A little more, right there. That's good. If you guys get 2 coils and you're wondering where to put it, this lumber right here in the middle is the center of the trailer. That's good. That's good. This chain coming here because you want to pull it this way. So yeah, 2 more chains. Like I said, these are only 12,000 pounds. Not too heavy. Alright, let's go tighten this down, guys. Tarp this in 25 minutes. Of course, the thing's locked. Why wouldn't it be? Alright. Shoot. Under. Okay. Yes, you see that? That's not going nowhere. That one moved. Wrap this around.
money. Oh, it's too easy, but yeah. I'm tired, guys. Oh, it's tight. Oh yeah. See how tight that shit is? I think it'd be fun. This one you want as tight. Tight. Oh fuck. Oh yeah. Oh, that shit ain't going nowhere.
All I know is win. Feel like Gary Payton. This that process. This that in the making. This that started from the bottom. This that motivation. Win. All I know is win. I learned from my losses. I won't do that shit.
Oh, was that dope or what? I told y'all I'm good at this shit. Oh shit. Who the fuck I am? Alright. This came out so perfect. I love it. It should be just one tarp. Easy money. Let's get it. Okay, so double knotted. So then we'll take this one. And then same thing. Double knotted. Uno, dos. Uno, dos, tres, okay. And then we'll just pull back really hard. Same thing here. We're gonna do 3. 1. Just to get it nice and closed. As you can see, it's nice and closed. Okay. It's kind of loose, so we're gonna pull back when we get over there. Tarp, so then it'll close nicely. Okay. I'm gonna pull the shit out of this. Okay, so what I do, right here is the last D-ring. And I pull back so it gets nice and tight. Pull that, pull that. We'll do a Superman cape. Same thing here. Pull the shit. Okay, where's the coil? Same thing here. Okay. That should be good. Looks beautiful. See, that makes it tight. Okay. We're gonna pull down. So you want this? Straight down. Straight down. Okay. Plug. straight down. As tight as you can. Get up there. Oh, right, that's tight. Look at that. Now that's tight. See, take the 2 D-rings. Oh, he's gotta show you this. 2 D-rings. Over here. This reason. This tighter. And for now, we're gonna hook it up here. And so the tarp doesn't pull down, we're gonna put one more right here so we can tighten the other side. So I usually, my method is just 3 bungees on one side and then go on the other side and hook all the D-rings. This just keeps this. You could put 4, but 3's good. It's so when you're not on one side, you're pulling the whole tarp down. You just want to hold in place. Not super tight, just where you want it. So if one side's off, like more on one side, then loosen it up a little bit. You guys, here's the tarp load. Damn, this one looks really nice. I actually did pretty good on this one. Shit, look at that. I love when I do a good tarp job. The only thing I'm a little worried about is this little balloon part, but I might undo the strap later and see. This is the only thing, but thanks, shawty. We're gonna roll out here, guys. We got all day. We only got 800 miles to drive, so we're just gonna drive 400 miles and then drive the rest tomorrow. So I'm gonna figure out what truck stop to go to about 400 miles. And we won't take a 30, we'll just shut down early today. So see you guys later. Good morning. It's 6:50 right now. It's cold. It's 35 degrees. So I guess this is semi-winter time, but I got my Starbucks vanilla sweet cream cold brew, and I have about 18,000 points at McDonald's. And so I've been getting free sausage, egg, and muffins. So I got this. So I love some of your guys' comments, man. This is the one thing I love about YouTube. I had somebody comment, I'll put it up on there. I don't have your name, but he said, you keep eating like this, you're not gonna be in a flatbed too long. Well, if you follow my channel, I cook a lot. Like last night, made asada tacos last night with some salad. I got chicken, I make all kind of stuff. So I always cook in my truck. It may not be the healthiest food you can have out here, but like cooking is way better than eating out and all that processed food. So like I said, about 15 per week. I'll say I'll eat out 3 times maybe. That's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So mainly it'll be breakfast, but there'll be times when you know you don't have time, you're driving all night, you got to make, like, grab a burger and go, right? Or there's a good restaurant. You know, restaurants are still good for you. It's the fast foods that are really bad, but some of the restaurants are actually pretty good. Depends where you go. And I'm gonna enjoy life, you know. So if I'm in Texas, I want barbecue food, I'm getting barbecue food. If, you know, there's a country fried steak place, you know, I have a lot of friends that tell me all these good food places, and I'm gonna enjoy it. I don't care. It's called exercise. So I don't do videos on my Instagram. I do, but I do a lot of walking. I do probably about I say about a mile walking. I always park in the far back. I always tell you guys, walk, walk, walk. You know, walk to the truck stop, walk all the way back, park in the back. So I don't care. You know, you guys can say what you want, but just got to exercise. That's the biggest thing. It's not about, it is about eating, but it's also about exercising. So we're going to roll out here, guys. That's we're going to try, let's see, Roseburg is our fuel stop. We'll stop there, and then we might stop at Pilot to take a shower. I'm not sure about the shower thing yet. Going back and forth on it, because I did shower last night. And I think I can go 2 days without a shower. I don't mind it, you know. I'm not going to be sweating. I'm not going to be doing anything. Just be driving today. And then tomorrow's just a third off day. So going back and forth. But we should be there. If we don't stop at Pilot, we should be there around 3:30 at Cabela's. And like I told you guys, I love this place. All the food's here. You can take an Uber. There's a lot of things to do. It's a pretty big city, and a lot of parking for trucks. They actually have parking for trucks. So we're gonna roll out here. We'll see you guys at Roseburg. Peace.
What's up, everyone? We're here at Roseburg again. I tell you, you guys know where we fill up. Roseburg, Roseburg, Roseburg. Hello, then, fucker. What are you doing, man? God, leave, dude. Let's go up it. All right, let's find a spot to fuel. Who wants to move first? Who wants to move? Let's see. He's fueling his box truck. Those two, I don't know what they're doing. What are we doing? What are we doing? Box truck, you leaving? What's up, everyone? We're here in Brooks, Oregon. We're gonna do our 30-minute break here. I had to go pee, and Aurora is like another 20 miles from here. I couldn't hold it in, so we're just gonna stay, do it right here. Could have hit a rest area, whatever. We'll get some Taco Bell. It is what it is. I wish the space age usually has good food, but oh, we gotta go one more. Oops. One more. Sorry, one more. Back here, forgot. There is May Trucking Company right there. Let me go. You guys can sit there all day with this traffic. I remember coming here, man. Hold on, there might be some Mexican food. Hold on, there's food trucks here. The fuck are we looking at? Sorry for my language. Homemade food, grandma's homemade food. Oh, we might be looking right here. Uh-oh. Let's go check it out. What's up, everyone? We're here in Tumwater, Washington. I always park here at the Pilot. We decided Cabela's is only 10 miles down the road, 10 miles extra, so it's like 10 exits, so 10 miles. But to get to Cabela's, you have to like go like almost a mile around town to get in there. So I was like, you know what? Let's just stay here and get a shower, get laundry. I'm not gonna do it for 10 miles. I thought Cabela's was like 20 miles further than this, but 10 miles. We are going to do a 34 here. I've been here before. This has really good Mexican food over here. So I'm gonna go check that out. Maybe tomorrow or something, if they're there. This building wasn't here to the left, so this is brand new. I'm surprised they extend the Pilot. This is pretty new. You know, we'll find good parking. I like parking here in the back. Kind of easy to get out. Those 4 trucks right there in the front took my parking spots, but it's all good. Probably park next to that guy. Always go around, so I can driver's side back. We don't blindside. So flop better there. Ciao.